Good morning. Good morning. Today I will tell you how to download Arduino IDE. So first on the browser you just type Arduino download. So over here we have the Arduino official site. You just go to Arduino software, and on the Arduino software over here in the softwares we have our first Arduino IDE software 1.8.16. It is the latest version. You just download according to your requirement. Like I have Windows 10, so I just go to Windows 7 and newer. You can also download a zip file. It is a free of cost software. You can donate according to your. So I just go to downloads. As you see, the software is 113 MB. So it will take around 1 minute. So when it is completely downloaded, I also tell you how to install this Arduino IDE into your system. So it will hardly take 1 minute. We will wait for it. It depends on your internet speed also. So as you see, software is completely downloaded. I just go to the folder and I just double click over here. So just click on yes. So over here I just put I agree. So over here you have to select all these tick marks. Next. So the Arduino IDE is installing. As you see, it will install the Arduino drivers into your system. So when I connect Arduino Uno board with my PC, it will create a COM port for a particular USB port. So I just connect this port with my Arduino Uno. So right now it is connected. I just connect this port with my computer USB port when the installation is done. So it will also take more than 1 minute. We will wait for it. So right now I just tell you how to download and how to configure your Arduino Uno, or how to run a basic program in Arduino Uno. So as you see, installing process is continued. It will take time according to your system performance and according to your internet speed. it will create a shortcut on your desktop also. You can check the installation process from here also. As you see, the Arduino setup is completed. I just close this folder. Just go to the shortcut. As you see on the desktop, there is a Arduino IDE software. I just double click on it. So right now I just tell you how to check or how to configure Arduino board. So this is the basic program. When I connect my Arduino, as you see, the LED on the Arduino goes on. As you see, this is the board LED, and this is the basic program, which is a blank program. I just go to tools. Over here you have to check some parameters like your board. In the board is Arduino AVR, that is my Arduino Uno board. Right now I'm using Arduino Uno board. I just select it, then I just go to the port, and in the port my port is COM4. You can also check this port in the device manager also. Like I just click on device manager, and over here in the ports, as you see, USB serial CH340 COM4. So this is the COM port, and when I hit on this run button, a blank program will be fed in my Arduino, and during updation process or during burning process, TX and RX will blink. TX and RX LEDs on the Arduino board will blink. As you see right now, so right now a blank project is installed into the system. So this is how you can download and how you can configure your Arduino board or Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE. Thank you.